Hello everyone, I'm Tanishka, studying in 8th standard at Fusco's Matriculation School, Annanagarmdu, and also a student of Junior IAS Academy. In today's video session, we are going to see about figure of speech, a word or expression used not with its original meaning but in an imaginative way to make a special effect is known as figure of speech. So, figure of speech gives dramatic effects, for example, in a poem, a line, or song. And figure of speech is also known as poetic device. Next, we are going to see some of the figure of speech. Rhyming words. Rhyming words are two or more words which have same sound. For example, deep, asleep, light, bright, and see, be. Rhyme scheme. Rhyme scheme is the sound pattern of sound that repeats at the end of a line or stanza. So now we are going to see how to identify a rhyme scheme in the poem. First, the patterns are encoded by the letters of alphabet, that is A, B, C, D, etc. And we label rhyme scheme by calling first line A. Every line in that stanza that rhyme with A is labeled as A. The line that doesn't rhyme with A is labeled as B. Every line in that stanza that rhyme with B is labeled as B, and so on. Now I will explain you all with this poem so you may understand clearly. So now you have to see the last words of a line. Now in the first line you can see the word is wall. Coming to the second line you can see at the end of and you are getting fall. Okay, so first I will start with the alphabet A. Obviously I told you that you have to start with A. Coming to the second line, the last word is fall. So, does fall rhyme with wall? Yes. So, we are getting A again. Coming to the third line, you can find men. Now, whether it rhymed with fall? No. Whether it rhymed with wall? No. I will take next alphabet after A, which is B. Now, coming to the fourth line, the last word is again. Whether is it rhyme with men? Yes. So this will be B. So the rhyme scheme for the above stanza will be A, So next we are going to see about repetition. Repetition occurs when a poet repeats words, phrases or lines in a poem. Let us see repetition with some examples so you can understand easily. In this poem, and a miles to go before I sleep. This line is repeated twice, so it is known as repetition. So, next we are going to see about alliteration. Alliteration is nothing but the repetition of same sounds at the beginning of words. So, in this line, the consonant P is repeated at the beginning of words. This is known as alliteration. So, next we are going to see about personification. Personification is nothing but giving human qualities to animals or objects. The examples of personifications are the sun is smiling at us and the streets are calling me. So, these are the examples of personification. Next, we are going to see about simile. Simile is nothing but comparing to unlike things using like or as. For example, as brave as a lion. Here it refers to someone who is too brave or courageous. So this is known as simile. At last, we are going to see about metaphor. So a metaphor is quite similar to simile. So metaphor also compares two unlike things. And it has hidden meanings. It implies hidden meanings. For example, your brain is a computer. It implies that your brain is smart and quick. So, This is known as metaphor. In today's video session, we had seen about figure of speech. Thank you.